show you how to make a super easy and super cheap toy for your baby. So here's an example of one that I already made. Now this one is just a bottle and it has corn kernels in it. And if I shake it, it makes noise. For this one I chose corn kernels. Now you can use really anything you want to use in it. And each different thing that you use is going to make a slightly different noise. So another thing you can do too is you can make one, have one thing in it, and then change it up every week or every couple of weeks just to make it a little more interesting and have different sounds. Alright, so for this video I'm going to make a different one. I'm going to be using beads in the one that I make today. I'm going to be using these beads. I have 8 plastic beads in here and I have 6 wooden beads. Alright, so I'm going to start with the plastic beads. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like with just the plastic beads. Then I'm going to show you what it sounds like with just the wooden beads. And then I'm going to show you what it sounds like with both combined. So first of all, you're going to need an empty bottle. Now you want to make sure that you remove any labels on the bottle so that your child can't take it off and then start chewing on it or choke on it or something like that. Now I'm going to put the plastic beads in the bottle. And I'm going to put the cover on. Alright, now I'm going to shake it. So that's what it sounds like with just the plastic beads. Now I'm going to show you what it sounds like with just the wooden beads. So I'm going to put the wooden beads in the bottle. Put the cover on. And if I shake it, that's what it sounds like. Now I'm going to put the plastic beads back in and show you guys what that sounds like. So that's what it sounds like with both. Alright, so that's how you make a super easy and super cheap baby toy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.